Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by verifying the hardware and unlocking access. First, confirm the internal or USB camera appears in Device Manager. This proves physical detection. Next, reboot into BIOS or UEFI and make sure the camera is enabled, or flip any laptop privacy switch. This often blocks software access. Once done, install pending OS updates and the vendor's camera driver so the system has the correct interface. These steps remove common blocks. Now you're ready to open or install the camera application. Now install or open the camera application you prefer, such as the built-in camera app or a trusted store app. You must grant camera and microphone permissions in settings right arrow privacy, right arrow camera so the app can access hardware. Otherwise, it will appear disabled. Then, inside the app, select the correct input if multiple devices exist, pick a resolution and frame rate that your laptop supports, and set it as the default in system video settings. Doing this prevents conflicts with conferencing tools later. Finish by testing the camera in the camera app and in a live video call to confirm image quality and audio sync. If you see distortion, black screens, or no device listed, update or roll back the driver. Drivers sometimes regress. Try alternate USB ports or a different cable for external cams. If problems persist, run the OS hardware troubleshooter and reset camera app permissions and cache. One key tip: disable other apps that might be holding the camera. Then relaunch the camera app to free the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.